today I'm just going out with my friend for just a little outing. We're actually going to Pleasure Park, and you will not believe that this is the first time I'm actually going to go to Pleasure Park, like ever. Like anybody that stays in Port Harcourt, Nigeria is supposed to have gone to Pleasure Park, but today is going to be the first time of me going. So yeah, then I'll show you guys how the experience will be like for me. I don't even know what to expect. I'm just kind of numb to it. I'm not really kind of excited. Maybe when I see my friend I'll be excited like that, but for now I'm just so numb, like I'm not having any feelings towards it. So guys, join me as I go. We'll see how the experience goes. Okay guys. Pleasure Park. You can see my background. That is Pleasure Park behind me. And I'm actually waiting for my friend. I've waited for her for like a couple of minutes. She's finally here. So I just want to show you guys her. So please come and join me.
Hello guys, so we're finally here in Pleasure Park.
Yeah.
And believe me, we're going to have some fun and we're going to walk you through our experience right here in Pleasure Park.
It's actually our first time of being here, so that's why we are kind of, I know I said I was not excited initially, but now seeing our face and everything, I'm kind of happy.
Why would you be excited? Hello, this is Pleasure Park and I'm here. Girls here.
Yeah. Bye for now, but we'll be with you in like in a few minutes time. Okay, bye. We are still walking down to Pleasure. We are not yet entered yet, and see our friend behind.
Yeah. Please come and introduce yourself. Hello, please tell them who you are. Who are you, please? You know they are just seeing this face for the very first time.
My name is Kelvin Tones. It's my first time here.
Okay.
I'm with my friends P Square.
Yeah, P
Square. Alright guys, so we are going inside the Pleasure Park now. As you can see, we are semi-inside. So guys, this is where we are right now. We are inside, but not very inside. We are still going, Sha.
We are still going. Okay guys, so this is where you pay for your ticket before you enter. Yeah, so we are trying to pay for the tickets now. yeah, this is the bar-like area. It's let me show you guys where. So yeah, this is the bar-like area. The bar, not bar-like area. Yeah. So we are at this place inside Pleasure Park where we can buy things like snacks and food and stuff like that. Apparently they don't sell food inside here, at least for today. I have no idea why, but that's how it is here. So yeah, let me just show you guys where we are seated and how it is. Kevin, say hi. Hi. Babe. Huh? So yeah, that's where we're just seated waiting for them to bring our food wherever we are going to. I look cute, right? Okay guys, I don't know why they are not selling food here. Like in this kind of place they're not selling no food, only snacks and stuff. So just what we got, nothing much. Okay guys, we are ready to go for the boat ride. I look fat, right? Wait, look.
Join us in the adventure.
Yes, join us please. Oh my god, let me not fall yet. Okay.
Guys, so we are going for a boat ride.
Look at, watch your step, oh. Princess, watch your step, I beg, don't fall down, please. And hold your phone well, please. Oh my god. Hold your phone well, if your phone falls, yeah, that way, get money now. I should sit here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. Place your two legs on that pedal, that iron pedal. Place your leg there. Place your leg there, just like a bicycle. Place your two legs there. Now, pedal forward. You paddle forward, you're going to the front, same thing to the back. Huh? Hold that iron.
Come here. Look.
Oh my god!
So guys, we are still riding. We are going to be riding for 30 minutes each. So yeah, let's just continue. And the experience is just cool, like the breeze and everything, and the view, the view is just so nice. Yep, that's so nice. Okay, guys, let's continue. And the wind, I love the wind though. The wind is just so nice, and like baby girl needs a vacation. Like I need a vacation. I need a vacation. We need vacation, please. Like nurses, please. We need a vacation. I swear. Oh my god. Wow, guys. See the view. The sun is. Oh, I love how the sun just reflecting on my skin right now. My skin is looking so nice, right? Yeah. Babe, look up, look up, look up. Okay, guys, so that's how we are just still here. We have been going around for quite some time now, just trying to enjoy the airy environment and the peaceful and calm serenity of the ocean. Not ocean though, lake.
No, maybe I calm down.
Okay, yeah, lake. So, but it's just quite peaceful and everything. I'm just kind of enjoying myself. I know it might not be such a big deal to some people, but to me, it's my first time. So I'm just trying to be real. It's just I'm quite enjoying myself. So we are done. See our driver. Yeah, he's finally done. He said he's tired. Oh God, it was quite an experience. Yeah, we are so done with the boat driving. Like. So we are finally done with the boat ride, and oh god, we are so tired. Like we are actually on our way back now, like going back home.
We're tired, guys. We're tired.
Like it was we rode it for quite some time, right? Like up to 45 minutes or so. So yeah, so we are so tired. Look at our driver here, so he has been disturbing us. Let's go. Like he has been disturbing us. Let's go. So finally we are going, guys. So guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please, yeah, see our view. Yes, my background, see how it is. Okay, so guys, as I was saying, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.